Hey guys, this is my phone collection January 2020. Let's get to it. With the Moto Droid Racer M. This one works, but it's dead. This my Samsung Galaxy S4. My two of them. This one works. This is my Moto Droid X. This one works, but it's dead. This is my iPhone 5C. This one is also dead. This is my other Motorola Droid X. It works, but it doesn't have a battery. Oops. This is my iPhone new one. This one is already on. This is my Motorola Droid 2. This one works. This one I need to shut off. This is my Samsung Epic 4G Touch. It's dead, but it works. This is my iPhone new one. This one works, but it's dead. This is my Samsung Galaxy J3. I believe this is the last one. It's dead, but it works. This is my Ojamis S. It works. And then this is my ZTE NA50 hotspot. And it works. Now we're moving on to dumb phones. As you can see, I have many of them here. This is my Samsung Galaxy 270. This one works, and it's already on. This is my Samsung Snap. It doesn't have a battery in it. This is one of my two Vita Kagos. This one does work, but it's dead. This is my OG AX145. This one works, but it's dead. And it has a charge probably because I like this phone. It's probably one of the nicest phones, flip phones. And it's probably... This is my OG UX280. This one works, but it's also dead. And it hasn't had a charge like about 2 years. This is my Sanyo SCP PM 5500. This one works, but doesn't have a battery in it. It's my Samsung Instinct HD on Switch. It works fine. Told me in the comments what it was. It's just the camera key doesn't work here. This is my Samsung SH-A850. This one works but doesn't have a battery. This is my Pantech P7040P, I forgot. This one works but doesn't have a battery. This is my Samsung Smooth on Verizon. This one is also doesn't have a battery in it. Here is some sort of cute phone. I forgot the name of it. It's untested. Now I'm going to come around. Here's a BlackBerry board. I forgot what's the name of it. I think this is the 90 degrees something. No, it's a BlackBerry board 9000. So close. This is my Nokia 2610B on AT&T, which works but doesn't have a battery in it. This is my Pantech Splash. This one's dead, but works. This is my OG KU290. It doesn't have a battery in it. This is my Alcatel One Touch. I forgot the name of it, but it's dead, but works. This is my Samsung. I forgot the name of it. SCH3500. This one is untested. This is my OG AX49. No, I forgot the name of it. AX4270. It doesn't have a battery in it. So this is my LG AX390. This one is untested, but it works. This is my Samsung SCHU 540, I think it is. Let me double check real quick. Let's see if it's correct. Yep, SCHU 540. It has a Bosch battery. This is my Motorola A40, I think it works, but it's dead. This is my Samsung Infinity. This one doesn't work, has a bad screen. This is my Motorola Rival. It works. This is my Casio G1 Rock with this button because I'm going to press it. Like that. This is my Motorola VB25i. This one is untested. This is my Sanyo RL4920. It doesn't have a battery in it. You can see invalid battery. This is one of my two Motorola Razrs. This one works. This one works, but it doesn't have a battery. This is my OG Rimmer. This one doesn't work. Casio G Zone. I think it's pronounced Border. This one also does not work. Samsung Galaxy Zoo Animals works, but LCD is broken. LG OX 125. This one works, but also CD is broken. My other LG UX 280. This one also does not work. This is one of my three, I believe, Motorola V60s. This one does not work. And this is my Motorola MBX220 on singular. This one is untested. This is my my other Motorola V60T. And on the bottom it says maybe on auto. This one does work, but the LCD is broken. This is my last Motorola V60. This one works, but LCD is also broken. This is my LG Voyager. This one works fine, but this one here is broken. This is my LG C410. This one dead, but works. And now I'm gonna come around again. This is my LG UN430. This one is untested. This is one of my two Pantech PN215s. This one works, but it's dead, and it hasn't had a charge about 1 year. This is my LG 440G. This one works 25, but it's dead. This is my Motorola V276. Is untested. This is my LG CE110. This one is untested. This is my LG MV Touch. This one works, but it's dead. Samsung Convoy 3. It works fine, so you can tell it. Samsung Heaven works but it's dead. My other Vita Keigo, it works. And Samsung Galaxy A11 doesn't have a battery. This is my Sanyo SCP-4700. This works but it's dead. Another Samsung Galaxy S4 works but it doesn't have a battery. This is my other Panther P15. This one is untested. This is my other Motorola Razr. Doesn't have a battery in it. My LG 800G. This one's dead. My Samsung M400. This one does work, but doesn't have a battery. This is my Samsung SG Jason 600. This one works. Yeah, it's not dead.